Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong today came down heavily on North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum for questioning the government's decision to allocate an additional 1.4 acres of land for the relocation of Punjabi residents. Citing Nongrum's statement as bereft of factual knowledge, Tynsong clarified the purpose behind the allocation of 1.4 acres and said that the land wasn't intended for direct transfer to the individuals but for the Shillong Municipal Board. Dismissing any unnecessary political maneuvering, Tynsong stressed the need to focus on facts and invited those seeking clarification to engage with him directly.
Without knowing the reality, without knowing even the actual numbers of the residents of that place. So I don't want to debate, I don't want to waste time with this kind of issues which they raise. Number two, when we say we need additional land of 1.4 or 1.5 acres, means this land will not be transferred to these people. It should be transferred, it should be handed over to Shillong Municipal Board. Simple. It does not belong to them. This land belongs to the Shillong Municipal Board. That's what I'm saying. Don't play politics unnecessarily. If you need clarification, come and meet me. I will explain to you everything. So you can't just mislead people. I think enough is enough.
Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister